Dump trucks handle heavy loads every day, but what happens if the body keeps lifting past its safe angle? Overextension can damage hydraulic cylinders, mounting points, and the truck frame. In some environments, it can also create overhead clearance and stability risks. An end-of-stroke valve provides a simple mechanical way to limit how far the dump body can rise. As the dump body rises, a cable connected to the valve becomes tensioned. At the preset angle, the cable actuates the valve, stopping hydraulic oil flow to the lift cylinder. The stop angle can be adjusted according to the application. Standard aggregate hauling may use around 50 to 55 degrees, while restricted height operations may require a lower angle. For reliable operation, mount the valve securely, route the cable away from heat and sharp edges, and inspect the cable and hydraulic connections regularly. HFD Hydraulic offers FCA push-button end-of-stroke valves for standard applications and FCC double-locked versions for applications requiring additional security. Small component, big protection. Learn more about end-of-stroke valves for dump truck applications from HFD Hydraulic.